Hey, what's up everyone? I hope you yardies are having a kick-ass day. Yard's looking pretty good, huh? Look at that, yeah. I just mowed it yesterday. I pretty much have to mow it every other day now. And I want to show you over here. So basically on my side piece, she's gonna get like the Allen Hayne lawn care nut kind of treatment over here. So I raised the Toro recycler up as far as it would go. Well, yeah, just about as far as it would go. Highest setting. And that's what we're gonna keep the side piece at. For the rest of the year or until I decide to do some other experiment with it. But we'll continue to get the same sort of, you know, lawn care nut fertilizer treatments. And we're just gonna use that on the side piece here, so. Usually get a lot more weed pressure over here, things like that. So I just wanna see if mowing tall is going to alleviate some of that weed pressure. And you know, I've always had, you know, I'm pretty good with my hose. It just sits out front. I got a new hose reel, so you know, subscribe, because in a future video I gotta figure out something how to mount that bad boy. But I think it's 130 foot retractable type deal. Company sent it to me, so we're gonna try it out. So subscribe for that content, because I just got it and I have to figure something out how to mount it. So it was just mowed yesterday, like I said, and it's been at least 5 weeks now since I put down the last fertilizer treatment. That was the Earth Science Lawn Food Plus. You can see that right up here in that link. And so basically this is kind of like the before we applied that product. This is kind of what things looked like. You know, I still had a very nice green coming out of winter, but you could see that, you know, there's different patches of green in here. And so what we're gonna do in this video is apply that product again. And then I'll give you the results. You know, you don't have to wait for that. This video, we're gonna apply it, and I'll wait 7 to 10 days, and I'll do an update video. Well, we just used the one product, so I feel like putting something else down. You know, I feel like maybe we should pimp slap the front yard a little bit. I've got some leftover LawnBright stuff. I just got the new shipment. Remember, that's all I'm doing in the backyard. But the front yard, I get crazy. And so I have some leftover stuff from LawnBright from the first round that I didn't spray in the front because I'd used the Earth Science Lawn Food Plus. Well, it's been a good month and a half at least. And with the rain that we had previously, kind of flushed a lot of that out. So we could use a little extra something here. So, I mean, it's kind of rainy, I can't mow the lawn, so let's spray something. All right, so you may or may not have seen a previous video where I was showcasing the LawnBright products in my backyard. So we put those down. I had some left over because I hadn't put them down on the front yard yet. So it's been a few weeks. I'm gonna do the 1-2 punch again, the Black Magic and Green Machine. So we're gonna spray those down. It's a kind of a cloudy, scattered shower, overcast day. Always a great time to spray product that needs to be watered in. And these both work down in the soil, so essentially they need to be watered in. It is a hose and, you know, solution, so, you know, spray it down with water. It gets watered in a little bit, but, you know, hey, a little extra help from Mother Nature, always a good thing, because Mother Nature's liquid is the best. So like I said, front yard could use a little bit of fertilizer, so I got these. Let's use them up. So the Black Magic is a humic fulvic acid concentrate that you spray on, and you can kind of tell where you put it, at least I can. A little darker in this section, so it's easy to see where you applied it. So I'm just going to keep going over each section, back and forth. We'll cover the yard. All right, so we pimp slapped the lawn, you know, pushed it to the limit. And sometimes there's a little bit left over in the jugs. So this tree, I've kind of mentioned before, I sprayed a little bit on the tree itself. Both of the LawnBright products, you know, this tree, I mean, it's beautiful right now. Looks great, smells really good. And like I said, it gets to like the summertime, and it just, you know, it's green and it needs help. So like there's even a dead branch I got to trim up here. But so what I try to do is any leftover product, I'll try to, you know, run the hose over here and just kind of dump it on the tree, and hopefully it'll help it out. So I already did that with the green machine, so now we're gonna just do that with the rest of the Black Magic here. You know, gotta get all the product out there, get your money's worth, right? Rinse, repeat, and then we're done. Recycle. Hey, so I had a giveaway and a video from like when we were getting our Christmas tree, so for December. And I was giving away the 18-inch LED neon flamingo in that video. So you had to put the comment flamingo in the comments. I just ran the comment picker, and congratulations to Striper, man. You have won the flamingo, buddy. Reach out to me. Maybe I even have your address, but reach out to me. I'll get this sent out to you. Guys, look, I'm gonna start giving away stuff on my channel. So make sure you're subscribed. Watch the videos, pay attention so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.